Some viewers may find the following video disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
60, can we get to 60? 60, 60.
A few moments later.
Put them on the news. Twist off his top like a Mountain Dew. And I know you a bitch cause your bros gotta make it. And I'm rich in the bitch cause my bitch gotta make the loot. I'm tryna see what club I'm finna go take it. If you look like some money, little bitch, I'ma break on you. Scoot up on
Little different video, as you could tell. I'm in my 2020 Hellcat right now, and we're gonna see how fast this thing is. This is one of the top fastest cars on the road right now, American muscle wise. This is the fastest car your American dollars is gonna buy. Alright, now what I'm gonna do today is just show you a little bit of what it can do. Now I know my lighting sucks, but you don't need to see that. You need to see this. I'm gonna turn it over to the dash and let the dash do literally all the talking. We got the dash. Now we are in custom mode. Alright, 717 good horses. I switched it from custom, from auto to custom, because auto gives you your basic eco-friendly mode with only like 500 and some horses. So custom gives you that full power that you want. So even when you're at 70 miles per hour and you wanna get a little jump, you know what I'm saying? You can do it that fast. That fast. So yeah, man, let's get it. Slow it on down, baby. Slow it on down. Now, me being a car person, a person who loves cars, okay, mother. Sorry, can't see, but that is a hit. Alright, now the Hellcat impresses me because this car is literally like none other. To know that this is one of the fastest American-made cars on land right now is mind-blowing. To know that I can go from 70 miles per hour to this. That quick, literally that quick. It takes no time to get from anywhere to 100. This is actually also scary to think that this is not the fastest car in the world. So the purr in this compares nothing to something like the Bugatti or the 458 Ferrari or just anything in that caliber. So that's crazy that you can get this much power in an American made car. That is literally unreal. The handling in this thing is great though. Right now we have it in custom mode, which gives us 717 horses. If you switch it, usually it comes in auto, which is like 580 horses. So to unlock and get the full advantage with the red key, you have to change it over. Now when you change it to track in sport mode, that actually takes off the traction, which we don't need on the freeway right now. So yeah, without traction makes it very, very likely that that ass will come from underneath you in the Hellcat. So we're gonna do some more driving through the streets and see how fast we can get this thing up. All right, we'll be back. Barely hitting the gas. All right, that's barely. That's a barely. Let's do a full. I'm gonna let it get down there. I'm gonna let it do 60. 60, and then I'm gonna let it rip. 65. Alright. we get to 60, 60, 60.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Fly as fuck, blowing fire, I'm a big dragon. Told her, get what you desire, yeah, I'm big skinny. Yo, bitch, yeah, she a liar, yeah, she so scandalous. Tryna tie me in a roll, she so romantic. She just wanna suck it, she ain't finna get nothing. Niggas looking up to me.